Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create this simple 3D model in Fusion 360, and later we will create simple 2D drawing. See, this simple 2D drawing we will create with the help of this 3D model. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this simple tutorial. Now here let's start to create this simple isometric part or 3D model in Fusion 360. So we will start with base, but here we will see L shape. You will see the dimension 56 millimeter, and the overall length here you will see 100 millimeter. Okay, and the thickness here, two thickness, so we have to draw L shape 16 millimeter and 10 millimeter the thickness, and width, or you can say extrusion, we need to extrude up to 50 millimeter. So let's see this one how. Now you can directly select here create sketch. Now here we have three planes. Even though you can see the planes from here, just drop down the menu of origin and see, we will choose XYZ plane. That's it. If you don't want this grid, here we have option snap to grid. You can check, uncheck, it's up to you. Line, and I'll start with this point. So let me, okay, dimension we will assign later. Just simply draw connect. Now this is closed geometry. Press escape key to exit from the line. For a dimension, even you can directly press D command, D on keyboard, or simply select sketch dimension. Now the overall length we will define 100 millimeter, enter. .56 millimeter, enter. And this thickness 16 millimeter, enter. And the vertical length is 10 millimeter, enter. Now see, the all black line means our drawing is fully defined. So simply finish the sketch, home, and we will extrude. Choose here extrude command. Now first profile need to select, so this profile already selected. If we saw blue line, now we have either move in both side or in any one side. Even though you can choose symmetric. If we keep one side, you will put dimension here 25. See, it is moving in one side. Angle we don't need to change, but if we want to choose two sides, so here we have one more option. Okay, now see distance, side 2 also you can put 25. See, it moves in both sides. Or we have a single option here, choose symmetric. If we choose symmetric, select 25. It is shows here half length, here you will show full length, and here put 50 millimeter. Now see, this is the condition of symmetric. And here we need to choose new body because there is no previous body. Okay, that's fine. Now the next thing, we will make this rib is 10 millimeter and 13 millimeter from above, and it is in center. For rib, what we will do, we will choose a mid plane. So the same YZ plane, sketch, choose here line, and just move connect it from here to here, escape. Now we will use, select the line and hold shift key and this line and keep here coincide. That's it. Now choose this line, undo, Now this is coincide. Now the same thing, select this point and this point, coincide. Press D or simply create here, select dimension, distance from here to this line 13 millimeter, enter. Now press escape and the drawing is fully defined. Finish sketch, home. Now what we will see, just drop down and here we will find one option, rib. Now here we need to first select the line. Now it is symmetric, we keep in both sides so that it will move in both, and it is the direction depth to next. So next is our this body, and thickness we kept 10 millimeter. That's it. Okay, that's fine. Now the next thing here, we will make this one. So this vertical length 70, horizontal length, if we going to calculate 35 plus 19, it's 54 millimeter. Then there is a 19 millimeter circle, this radius 19, and thickness is 13 millimeter, and the last one is fillet, shows here R6, but we will make smaller, this is too big. Select the top face, create a sketch. Now let me choose here line, and we will start from this point, from here, then again go back to this point and hold your mouse left key and move, so it will automatically convert into arc. If you click, then move to this point, press escape. Now we need to choose tangent. Now select this line and this line, it's become tangent here, already tangent. Escape. Now just check the geometry is already closed, not closed, because we don't want this shape. Line, connect from here to this point, escape. And if we saw any inside line, it will automatically create, so just delete it. Now see, this is closed geometry. Circle, and put circle here. Sketch dimension 54 millimeter, enter. Let me choose top view. Okay, escape, command. Now choose perpendicular, or simply do one thing, we need to use collinear command. We will select this line and this line, see it's perpendicular. Escape, just move. Now this length 70 millimeter, enter. Outer one radius 19 millimeter, enter. The inner one diameter 19 millimeter, enter. Now the drawing is fully defined. Exit sketch, extrude, select this face. Now circle is remaining, it is one side, and we will move 13 millimeter. It's moving upside, so here you will press minus, and here we don't want to use cut, we want to join. See, okay, that's fine. Pan. Now we will use fillet, and here we will define radius 3 millimeter, and later we will add 1 2 rotate 3 4 5, and here we will add 3 millimeter. Okay, now see. So this is our simple tutorial. If you right click appearance, and here we can apply material. Let's apply some plastic opaque. Drag, that's it. Blue, that's too dark, so better to apply yellow. Close. See, even though if you like to apply appearance, brass, polished brass, oh, it looks very good. Close. Want to save it, just simply select save, and here you just put the name like IC support. Save. If you want to access, simply select here data panel. See, this is the places where you are going to save. See here, we put it here. Close. Even though, let's see, even if we want to create a drawing from design, simply choose here new. This is a single part, so no need to check or uncheck, that doesn't matter. From sketch standard we have to choose, so we will keep ISO millimeter and A3 size. Okay, now it will ask you to drag. Now this is your sheet. Now see, now here we will keep front. Okay, we will keep this one, and this one we will define one by one. Okay, now click here projected view, select this one, upside, left hand side, and here isometric. Press enter. Now click this part and see this dot move. Double click, shaded. Close. Now see, now we have option for dimension, so from here you can define all the dimensions whatever you escape, right click, and here choose hidden with edges. Close, so that we will get a perfect edges and everything. So this is the simple way you can define all the dimensions here. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.